Hello everyone, I'm Martin from my house. Today we are at the M developed by Wing Thai Asia TOP in 2023, sitting along Middle Road right in Prime District 7. Today we have a very nice high floor, 2-bed, 1-bath, 592 square feet unit with unblocked views and rental rates of up to 5,500 per month, coming up to about 4% rental yield. So let's go check it out. Welcome to the unit, 592 square feet, 2-bed, 1-bath. What's amazing about this unit is the dumbbell layout. You have 2 rooms on the side and the living area in the center without the need for a long corridor with a lot of wasted space. In this kind of CCR projects, the PSF is a little bit higher, so this kind of space efficiency is super important. As you enter the unit, you are greeted by an open concept kitchen, but this is fully equipped. You have your inbuilt oven, you have your hob and your hob, you have a sink, and lots of cabinet space for you to store your things and countertop for you to prepare your food. And you also have your inbuilt fridge as well. This bathroom comes fully equipped with a Jack and Jill door. Also have a nice showering area with a rain shower, as well as a toileting and a sink area, all with very luxurious finishing. The dining area fits comfortably a 4-seater dining table where you can host your friends and family, and is also integrated seamlessly to the kitchen for you to serve food to your guests. Over here you have a nice living area where you can fit a 2-seater sofa for you to sit down and enjoy the TV, Netflix and chill. Living in a luxury project like this, you get to also enjoy an amazing city view. So right in front of you, you have Raffles Hotel, currently marked as conservation, so you are assured that it will not be blocked. Further down, you can even have views of Padang. So imagine sitting here enjoying a cup of coffee or tea and enjoying this very nice city view over here and relax while you work from home. Welcome to the second common room. It is also very squarish. You can also fit up to a king-size bed or a queen-size bed with 2 side tables. And similarly, you have that nice glass design cabinet done by the developer, and also full height glass window, which is very rare for some of the 2-bedders out there, whereby the aircon latch actually takes up half the window. So in this unit itself, you still get your full height window for that wonderful view and the natural lighting. In the master room, you can see that the size is good enough to fit even a king-size bed or a queen-size bed with 2 side table. You also do get a very nice full height glass window for all the natural lighting to come in, and you have this nice glass design cabinet done up by the developer. Over at the M, you have a full suite of facilities. You have swimming pool, you have the clubhouse, and you even have the gym. So staying here will give you all the lifestyle facilities that you need. Now let's talk about the biggest selling point of this project, the location. We are seated in Prime District 7, where it's classified as Core Central Region. We are also only minutes walks away from Bugis MRT, where you have your downtown line and your east-west line. And at the same time, Esplanade MRT, which gives you access to Circle Line, is only about 450 meters away. You also have lots of malls, lots of eateries over here. You have your Bugis Junction, Bugis Plus, Bugis Cube. Everywhere, whatever convenience you can think of, is all right at your doorstep. We are also within 1 km of School of the Arts, and at the same time, in this Bugis area, although it's core central region, we have a different vibes. We have lots of cafes and shops and food around, which gives us a very nice lifestyle vibrancy compared to the other CCR locations. So this unit is ideal for young couples who want to upgrade into the CCR region, or investors who want to get some prime CCR exposure and rental rates of up to 4%. And basically, at this quantum, it is super palatable and super reasonable. So if you are keen to view this high floor, 2-bed, 1-bath, 592 square feet unit at the M, remember to contact me, Martin, from my house, and I'll be happy to show you. And you can contact me at 9127 8681.